Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home.
Welcome to AI Daily. Today we're talking about a major shakeup in the AI world that's got investors scratching their heads. SoundHound AI, the conversational AI specialist, is taking a beating on the market after news broke that Nvidia had sold its stake in the company. Now let's dive into what this means for SoundHound AI's future. First off, it's worth noting that Nvidia's decision to sell its stake isn't exactly a red flag. The tech giant only owned about 1.7 million shares of SoundHound, which would have been worth around $34 million at the time of sale. That's tiny compared to Nvidia's market capitalization of over $3 trillion. So, what does this tell us? Well, for one thing, it suggests that Nvidia never saw SoundHound as a major player in the AI space. And while that might be disappointing news for some investors, it's also worth noting that SoundHound has been making waves with its sales growth and seemingly has a long runway for expansion. However, this dramatic sell-off does highlight one major risk for SoundHound investors. The company's valuation is still sky high. With a price-to-sales ratio of 26.5 times this year's expected sales, that's a pretty steep valuation to be dealing with. And as we all know, companies with valuations like that are often prone to volatility. But here's the thing, SoundHound AI is an early mover in a category that's still in its infancy. That means it's got both benefits and risks on its side. On the one hand, the company has done an impressive job of increasing adoption for its software. On the other hand, there's always a risk that resource-rich competitors will enter the fray and use their financial, infrastructural, and relational advantages to become winners in the category. For risk-tolerant investors who see promise in SoundHound AI's long-term potential, Friday's sell-off could be a buying opportunity. And with dollar cost averaging, you can pick up shares at lower prices while the company continues to grow. Of course, this might not be for everyone. More conservative investors might want to look elsewhere. That's the bottom line. SoundHound AI is still worth keeping an eye on, even if Nvidia's decision to sell its stake has sent shockwaves through the market. We'll keep monitoring the situation and bring you updates as things develop. Thanks for watching AI Daily.